weld up some weights here on the distributor, and I put little marks on here just to show where I'm going to weld it. So I'm going to weld it right across here and right across here, and that's where, if I were to move this, you would see that's where the weights are actually moving at. So that'll be my point of weld. So if Tim wants to back up with the camera, I will put on my, I'll put on my goggles here. Go ahead and back up. Yep, put on the goggles. And then I'll reach in here and try to do this. It doesn't take much. You show it in there now. So I went ahead and kissed across here and kissed across here. And now you do have to take your contact plate. I don't have it here with me, but where the points would have gone, that plate will move, and you'll want to weld that breaker plate assembly solid, so where the vacuum advance, if you had a vacuum advance unit, would be moving it, you don't want that moving anymore. All right, so that's all I got. Thanks.